Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the hottest tech trends and reviews. Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic for anyone dreaming of living small but living smart tiny home kits. Whether you're thinking about simplifying your lifestyle or just need a cozy getaway space, Amazon has some surprisingly affordable options that you can buy right now. We're talking everything from minimalist cabins to small home office setups. And best of all, each of these kits comes at a price that won't break the bank. So, stick around as we explore Amazon's 5 most affordable tiny home kits that could be the answer to your tiny home dreams. Allwood Palma. 3. Price: $8,995. Kicking off our list is the Allwood Palma 3, a charming and highly versatile tiny home kit. This sleek and modern design is perfect if you want something that looks contemporary but stays functional. With 176 square feet of space, it's ideal for an office, a guest room, or even a cozy art studio. What makes the Allwood Palma 3 stand out is its bright, airy layout, thanks to the large windows that bring in tons of natural light. It's made from high-quality Nordic spruce, and its sturdy construction is built to last. Another great aspect of this kit is how customizable it is. You can easily modify the interior to fit your specific needs, whether that's adding some insulation for year-round use or even dividing the space into sections. With a price tag of $8,995, it offers tremendous value for anyone looking to build a simple but modern space. Imagine setting this up in your backyard for some peace and quiet, or using it as a home office away from the main house. Plus, this kit is designed with DIY enthusiasts in mind. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, so if you've got some basic tools and a couple of weekends to spare, you can transform this tiny home kit into your personal oasis. And since it's made from renewable materials, it aligns perfectly with the eco-conscious goals of many tiny home enthusiasts. ECOHOUSEMART Cabin Kit. Price: $9,650. Next up, we have the ECOHOUSEMART Cabin Kit, which offers a rustic yet stylish tiny home experience for just $9,650. With its classic wooden cabin feel, this kit gives you 209 square feet of livable space, perfect for anyone who loves the outdoors but wants the comfort of an enclosed living area. One of the best features of this kit is the open-plan design, making it adaptable for various uses, whether it's a vacation home, an office, or a yoga studio. The solid wood construction not only ensures durability but also provides natural insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It's built to withstand a variety of climates, which is great if you're planning to set up in a location with harsh weather conditions. The ECOHOUSEMART cabin is eco-friendly too, using sustainable timber, which means your carbon footprint stays minimal. For under $10,000, this cabin offers impressive value, and it could easily be a permanent home, guest house, or even a profitable Airbnb rental. The rustic charm of this kit, combined with its modern efficiency, makes it a solid contender if you're looking to get into tiny home living without sacrificing comfort. Plus, the natural insulation of the timber can help save on energy costs in the long run, making it a smart investment. Timberline 2-room cabin. Price: $6,250. For anyone looking for maximum affordability without sacrificing functionality, the Timberline 2-room cabin is an excellent option at just $6,250. This 144 square foot tiny home kit is simple, efficient, and practical. It's divided into 2 rooms, which you can customize however you like. One room could be a sleeping area, while the other could serve as a living space or workspace. It's small enough to fit in most backyards, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a tiny guest house or studio. The Timberline cabin features a solid wooden frame and weather-resistant walls, so it's built to withstand the elements. Although it's one of the most affordable on our list, you won't feel like you're missing out on quality. Plus, it's a DIY assembly, so you can set it up with just a few tools and some patience. What's also worth mentioning here is the versatility of the space. You can use it as a home office, an artist's studio, or even a backyard gym. And if you're thinking about resale value, having a tiny guest house or studio in your backyard could significantly increase the value of your property. Allwood Claudia. Price: $9,890. Now, If you're after a tiny home with a bit more room to stretch out, the Allwood Claudia might be your perfect match. Priced at $9,890, this kit offers a spacious 209 square feet of living space, which is spread out across a sleek and modern design. What makes the Allwood Claudia special is its large floor-to-ceiling windows that give the interior an open, expansive feel, making it seem larger than it is. If you want to bring the outside in, this kit is designed with natural light in mind. Constructed from dense Nordic spruce, the Allwood Claudia is sturdy and built to last through all seasons. The assembly is a bit more involved than the others on this list, but the payoff is a larger, more luxurious tiny home that could serve as a full-time residence or high-end guest house. Another major selling point of the Allwood Claudia is its adaptability. Whether you're planning to live in it full-time or just use it as an occasional retreat, this tiny home kit offers enough space to feel comfortable. You can even customize the interior layout to fit your needs, perhaps adding a small kitchenette or dividing the space into separate living and sleeping areas. BZB Cabins, Allwood, Arlanda. Price: $7,590. Last but not least is the BZB Cabins Allwood, Arlanda. For $7,590, this stylish tiny home offers a compact 180 square foot layout that's perfect for a backyard office, studio, or guest house. Its sleek, modern design blends seamlessly with contemporary outdoor spaces, and the large windows offer plenty of natural light, making it feel airy and open despite its small size. The Allwood Arlanda is easy to assemble, and it's designed for DIY enthusiasts. It's a great option if you want a budget-friendly tiny home that doesn't sacrifice design or comfort. Whether you're looking to add a quiet space to your backyard or an affordable getaway cabin, this kit covers all the bases. Plus, it's compact enough to fit in smaller spaces while still giving you all the essentials. A noteworthy feature of the Allwood Arlanda is its high-quality wood construction, ensuring durability and longevity. It's also highly customizable. Some buyers have added insulation and solar panels to turn it into an eco-friendly off-grid living space. At just $7,590, it's an affordable way to build a practical yet beautiful tiny home that doesn't skimp on style. Before we wrap up, let's sneak in an honorable mention: the Allwood Avalon. While it's slightly pricier at $10,995, this 540 square foot kit is perfect for those who need more room without going overboard. With 2 floors, the Avalon offers a living space that feels more like a full-sized home. It's perfect for those who want to embrace tiny living, but still enjoy some extra space for family or guests. Plus, its Scandinavian design gives it a sleek, modern look that stands out from other options. And there you have it, 5 of the most affordable tiny home kits you can get on Amazon right now. Whether you're looking to downsize, create a personal retreat, or just add a functional space to your property, there's something here for everyone. Each of these kits offers a unique blend of affordability, style, and functionality that could be just what you need to start your tiny home journey. If you're ready to take the plunge into tiny home living, make sure to check out these kits on Amazon and let us know in the comments which one you're considering. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more top tech trends and innovative ideas to make your life smarter and simpler. See you next time.